Um, dois, dois, três e... Softness of your hand. Maybe we'll never meet again. I am so fast, so out of control. Tell me, where should I go? I need the light of your eyes, or any light at all. I should have loved these tears inside your eyes. I should have hoped you to make it alright. I'm starting to believe that this waiting is the dark that surrounds me. Where was I when words were easy? Where was I when love was a seed? It might have been a poem of your life, now just a hopeful thought in my mind, blowing mazes, whispering my ear. Tell me if can you hear? Voice of despair, leading me to nowhere. I should have loved this chaos inside your eyes. I should have hoped you to make it alright. I'm starting to see that I'm chasing a ghost created by me. Surrounds me.